Hello. This time on Crash Test Dummy TV. Hello, I am still around. Just thought I'd give you a quick update because YouTube have told me, oh, if I don't put a video up, they're going to cancel my partnership. So I'm just going to put a quick update. Oh my goodness, it's been 2 or 3 years almost. A lot has happened. I had someone steal my cat. Assholes. I got my cat back though, after it had been run over by a car. I got a Z650 in here to do. My goodness, that's a story in itself. Very dodgy builders out there. Ooh, that's the other thing. Look what I scored. Wow! Wow! That's basically, well, it's not the condition it was in. Front and rear tins I've painted. I've detailed the frame, detailed everything. Just a little black here or there. The seat is original. Original. Look at this. It's a sticker. Queensland, I think it's registration 1976. Or is it 75? It's 70 something. I want to protect it and put a little sticker over it. But I haven't got it running yet. That's the only thing. I've restored it, I just haven't got it running. But that's the easy bit. Still original tyres. Unreal. It's only done 3,000k. Or thereabouts on the clock. It was registered. He did ride it. There you go, 3,975. Original. He did ride it, he did register it. He did go to work apparently. But as most of these they end up around the house, around the paddock. That's where all their kilometres come from. And dings and rust and everything else. SR250 getting close. There's my Z650 in the corner. Brought it here just so I could have something, so I've got reference. XT600 waiting on the boss kit, and then I can do the Kickstarter and then I can start it. But so much pressure on the Kickstarter, I'm going to put a manual decomp lever rather than auto. I don't believe the auto works that well. Cool. What else? Heaps has happened. Heaps has happened. Tried my hand at a bit of gold prospecting. Look at this. Gold. But apparently it's worth bugger all. Gold. Anyway, get away from the radios just so I don't get hit with a thing. Anyway, I'm going to put some clips on. More content coming soon. Here is just some highlights of stuff I've done, and stuff I've done. I've still been filming, I just haven't been editing because my program, yeah, I've got to get the keys again because nowadays Cyberlink programs, you have to pay per month. And I want to own mine. When I pay something, it's mine. Anyway, no excuse. Speak to you, Ron. Enjoy these clips, ride safe out there, and yeah, I'll see you out on the road or wherever. Now, drum roll. I've got Spark 2016 MT09. Hello all. I've been commissioned. I'm getting paid in my garage. Woo! This is now a workshop. It's a bike customizer. Whatever. Anyway.